Hey guys, this is a video of Tesla Model 3 dash cam. It's a beautiful day in Vancouver. So we just backed up from the parking lot of Stanley Park near Aquarium, and now we're going back home. Driving slowly out of the parking lot. It's a sunny day. Honestly, the Tesla Model 3's camera quality seems to be not very high. It's absolutely a stunning, beautiful day with blue skies and sunshine, not raining. However, from the camera, it looks like it's a little bit grayish. I also noticed when there's a lot of trees, it seems to be pixelated a little bit. Of course, if you are doing image processing or video editing, normally trees, leaves, they're very they consume a lot of data, so it might be understandable that Tesla actually purposely make those tree details more fuzzy. And as we are turning to different angles, you can see the sun ray seems to be sometimes, yeah, right now the sun is like shining from the side, and the view looks great. In the darker or more brighter sunlight condition, it seems that the contrast has been adjusted automatically. That car is a little bit slow, so we're going to pass that in the right. By the way, it's a 30 km/h speed limit zone. That car is in like 20 something. Maybe he's just trying to enjoy the beautiful view. A lot of people biking. Yeah. Oh, the camera seems to be quite flaky here. Another car is going slowly with some warning lights. We're going to pass that. Maybe they're just enjoying the view. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. More bikers. Let them go first. Yeah, so this is my first video since I got the Model 3 dash cam working. All you need is a USB disk. I got one from Staple for like 10 bucks. And I actually formatted that with two partitions. One partition is 10 gig, holding the videos. The other partition is for music. So because if you use the same partition for both music and dash cam, I believe the dash cam one basically couldn't play any videos, any music if there's any music in there. So now we're almost out of Stanley Park. and go to the Lionsgate Bridge. Again, a great day for biking. So I was actually worried a little bit about the USB key because it doesn't feel it's very tight, and I was afraid that if I accelerate too fast, the USB key might fall off. It's actually not the case. Okay, so there's some traffic here. Looks like the driver, not this car, but the driver in the car before this car is having some difficulty merging to the traffic. This actually took quite a while. Okay, so another thing you can notice is this video is 4:3. It's not 16:9, which is a little bit interesting. That's default ratio the Tesla dash cam provides. If it's wider, you can see there is actually a bike lane at the side, so the biker is way faster than us. Okay, so the car in the front finally merged. This car is already getting impatient. I believe he honked the other driver a little bit. Merging for us is not really a problem. So we wait that car pass. There's a gap. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, acceleration, it's absolutely not a problem for Tesla. Again, here, I really wanted to do this video because I want to show the view on the bridge. This is a Lionsgate Bridge on such a clear day. It actually looks way better with your naked eyes. You can see there's some people on the side taking pictures. And for people not familiar with this part of Vancouver, it's a bridge with 3 lanes, and there's a traffic counterflow thing going on. So you can see it's green light on our side, which I believe is northbound, and the southbound right now are 2 lanes. So when there are more traffic going north and less traffic going south, the middle lane will first change to yellow blinking signs. Then it will close for the other side. Then it will change direction and it will become 2 lane northbound and 1 lane southbound. The bridge is a little bit old, so it might be a feature that is great for that time, but for now we'd rather have more lanes. Whenever there's only 1 lane, even the opposite side has 2 lanes, you can see there's a huge traffic jam, which is pretty much the traffic pattern every day here. We're going down the ramp, merging left. We'll go up quickly to another highway. Again, this video basically just demonstrates the Tesla Model 3 dash cam features. I actually recorded another trip before this. So from my home in North Vancouver, going out across the Lions Bridge, southbound, then go to Stanley Park, and going to aquarium. However, that's that's actually erased. So I stayed about 2 or 3 hours in the aquarium. So it looks like, oh, there's a Ferrari on the left. Very loud. It's not audible in this video because there's no audio recorded at all. But even when parking, the Ferrari is pretty loud. And I don't think it's that fast though. So back to the spec. I believe Tesla mentioned that they will keep the recent 1 hour videos. So apparently how that works is not that they keep a 1 hour worth of the video, because the trip to the destination and this trip back is both about 15 minutes. However, I only had the recent videos of this one. So that means it's video keeping by timestamp. That means any video you have older than 1 hour will be deleted. So even say my previous 15 minutes plus this 15 minutes is only half an hour and less than 1 hour. They are 2 hours apart. So the first 15 minutes before this, they are older than 1 hour because they're 2 hours old. They were all gone. I haven't figured out a way to save that yet. I do notice that the first time when I click the dash cam icon, by the way, the icon only appears on the status bar when you have a USB key with a Tesla cam folder created. As soon as you plug in, it will blink a little bit, then show the icon, and when it records, it will show the red dot, means it's recording. On this trip, I do remember when I finished it, I clicked the recording dash cam icon on the screen and it turned to a download icon, and I click on the download icon, then it changed to a green check mark on the dash cam icon. Then the video is actually saved, and when I unplug the USB key, I can see several, they're all 1 minute videos, but some are named recent with the dates, some are named with saved. However, they're all in this trip, so the recent 10 minutes seems to be renamed to saved. The older ones are renamed, they're not renamed, they're just called a recent dash date. So I think I might have made a mistake for the first dashcam video, is that I didn't click the download icon, which does the save. I remember I clicked the icon a couple times, but it didn't really do anything. Okay, thanks for watching. I think that's it. If you're interested, please click the subscribe button or make some comments. If you have any questions, I will see if I can make more videos about the Tesla Model 3. Thank you for watching.